Good day, this is Sir Cutie and I'm going to teach you how to send file on FB Messenger using Android phone. Let's get started. Open your Chrome or browser. Search Messenger Login. Click the three dots. Choose desktop site. Don't forget to log in your account. Open chat. Next, click the plus icon below. Click the picture icon, then proceed. Choose any from your files. Here are some examples. Then, a preview of document will appear. You can type any message or directly send it immediately. And that's it! Very simple, right? You can now send files such as Word documents on Messenger easily. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching!